Coming to you live, we're in Kingston. This is town with it. You see me? Fruitful town with all type of mango tree and moringa and pine and almond. All type of sitting that town. You know, so I never really know say so much things that town though. I tell you, the amount of things me have all things all hitch up in my beard and all them way there. I mean, I have enough cane and them sitting there. Zion music, check me now. This is the moringa. Moringa oleifera. I'm standing here with the famous moringa tree, you see? Official. Big. Tree grows tall. You know what I'm saying? These are what the pods look like. These are the pods. Can you see? This is the pods. This can be chopped up and cooked down in your callaloo like okra. These are the leaves. And you can just eat them raw as is. Yeah. These are the dry pods, which is where we get the seeds from, and the seeds inside of the moringa can be used as a chlorine. You can use it to make wine, moringa wine, syrup, the whole 9 yards. You know what I'm saying? Zion music, stay tuned. We're in tune with earth, nature, you know, life trad, life sustenance. So we are dealing with the thing mad up.